everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Today we're spending the whole day in one of my favorite places, the kitchen.
That's right. We'll learn lots of English words and expressions related to cooking, food, cleaning, and kitchen routines.
So whether you love cooking or just want to sound more natural in English, this episode is for you.
Okay, David, let's start with a question. What's your favorite meal to cook?
I love making breakfast, especially pancakes.
Yum! I love breakfast too. My favorite is scrambled eggs and toast with avocado.
Sounds delicious. All right, let's get started in the kitchen.
Good morning. It's time to make breakfast.
Let's see what we have in the fridge. Eggs, milk, butter, and some fruit.
Perfect! Let's make pancakes and fruit salad.
Good idea. First, we need to prepare the ingredients.
Here's a great phrase for everyone. Let's get everything ready. It means to prepare all the things you need before cooking.
Right. So we need a bowl, a whisk, and a frying pan.
I'll crack the eggs.
I'll pour the milk and mix it all together.
Don't forget the flour and a pinch of salt.
A pinch means a small amount, like this.
Nice! Now whisk it well.
Okay, ready to cook. Let's heat the pan and melt some butter.
It smells so good already.
While the pancakes cook, let's make fruit salad.
Sure. We'll cut up some apples, bananas, and strawberries.
And maybe add a spoon of honey for sweetness.
Perfect. Breakfast is ready.
Everyone, repeat after us. Can you pass me the bowl? Let's mix the ingredients. It smells delicious.
Nice pronunciation.
David, after breakfast, it's time to clean up a little.
Yeah, I'll wash the dishes.
And I'll dry them. Here's a useful phrase. Can you hand me the towel?
Thanks. Okay, now let's plan lunch. What should we cook?
How about pasta with tomato sauce? Simple and tasty.
Perfect. Let's get the ingredients. Pasta, tomatoes, onions, garlic, olive oil, and some cheese.
All right, while I chop the onions, can you boil the water?
Sure. Turning on the stove. The water is boiling.
Everyone, listen. To boil means to heat water until bubbles appear.
Right. And to chop means to cut something into small pieces.
Be careful with the knife, Anna.
Don't worry, I'm a pro.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'll saute the onions. Saute means to fry quickly with a small amount of oil.
Add the tomatoes and garlic next.
It smells amazing.
Now the sauce is almost ready. Let's check the pasta.
It's perfect, al dente. That means cooked but still a little firm.
Let's mix the pasta and sauce together.
Yum, it looks great.
While we eat, let's teach some common kitchen verbs. Stir means move in circles with a spoon. Pour means move liquid from one container to another. Taste means try a small amount of food. Slice means cut into thin pieces. Fry means to cook in hot oil.
Those are super useful.
And here are some nouns. Pan, pot, spoon, knife, cutting board, stove, oven, sink, and dish towel.
Wow, that's a full kitchen vocabulary lesson. Okay, lunch was great, but now time to clean up.
The least fun part.
Haha, but we can practice English while cleaning.
Sure, I'll wash the dishes.
And I'll dry them. Here's a useful phrase. Can you hand me the towel?
Thanks. Okay, now let's plan dinner. What should we cook?
How about grilled chicken with vegetables? Simple and tasty.
Perfect. Let's get the ingredients. Chicken, vegetables, marinade, salt, pepper, and olive oil.
All right. While I chop the onions, can you marinate the chicken?
Sure. Do you know what marinate means, everyone? It means to soak food in sauce or spices before cooking.
Right. I'm seasoning the veggies with salt, pepper, and olive oil.
Now let's grill everything.
While it cooks, we can set the table.
Good idea. I'll get the plates and forks.
And I'll pour some water.
Dinner's ready.
It smells so good.
After cooking all day, I think we deserve a nice meal.
Totally.
Wow, we spent the whole day in the kitchen.
Yeah. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm full.
Me too. But we learned so many useful English words and phrases today.
Let's review some of them. Boil, fry, chop, stir, pour, slice. Pan, pot, spoon, knife, cutting board.
Take out the trash, wipe the table, wash the dishes.
Excellent. You can use these phrases every day.
Okay, let's repeat some words for pronunciation practice.
Ready? Repeat after us. I'm cooking dinner. Can you pass me the spoon? The soup smells delicious. Let's clean up the kitchen.
Awesome job, everyone!
Thanks for spending the day with us in the kitchen.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode.
And remember, English is everywhere, even in your kitchen.
See you next time on Daily English Practice.